Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to continue with the Promodel exercise that we were developing here in the channel. So remember that it is a car workshop, and in the last video we went through the locations. It is clear that we have 3 locations for this model. In this case it's going to be the entry right here, the QE, and the workstation. Okay, so in this video what I want to do is go ahead and introduce the entities to the model. So in this case we have 7 kind of jobs, and each kind of job is going to represent an entity because it has different times and they arrive in different order. Okay, so and they have different probability for the arrivings. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, if we want the model to look a little bit nicer, we can go ahead and bring our custom library. For that, all we need to do is click here on Build, General Information, and Graphic Library. For that, I have already created a new library with different cars. Each car is gonna represent a kind of job. So let's bring them over. We click here on this blue circle, and let's start with the first one. This nice gray car. Oh yeah, this gray car is gonna be the oil change. We click on enter and we choose the second one, which is gonna be this white Lexus, and it is gonna be the brake tension. Okay, we click enter again. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. Okay, we move on to the third one, which is gonna be this Audi. Looks pretty nice, and it is going to be the tire balance. Okay, let's go with the alignment, which is gonna be the Aston Martin. I'm sorry, this is the Jaguar. Okay, so it is alignment, right? Then we have timing, which is the Aston Martin. Okay, so Aston Martin is gonna be timing. And we have 2 left. 2 jobs left, which are like mechanics and normal mechanics. So let's go ahead and put them on the model. This red Ferrari, oh my god, it's going to be like mechanics. And the Nissan GTR is going to be the normal mechanics. Okay, there's still one entity that we have left. We're going to call it service. That is going to be a generic entity that will arrive just before we know which kind of job it is. Okay, so that's it for today. The entities are ready, and in the next video I'm going to cover the arrivals. So let's save the model, and thank you for watching, guys.